Let's draw Jonah inside of the whale. Isn't that pretty cool? Let's get started. Alright, so first you're going to need a marker and some colors and some paper. So what I do with the paper is I'm going to fold the paper directly in half. You're going to want to make it look like this, okay? And so kind of like a Z. So you're going to go directly in half, just like so. Increase it really good and tight. Open it like a book. And then, like you're going to change the page of a book, you're going to fold it towards it like that. 2 inches on each fold underneath. There we go, just like that. And that way, when you open it, it will show the rest of the ordeal. So first off, you start with it shut just like so, and you're gonna draw the whale. So let's get busy with that. So first you're gonna come over here, and we're gonna draw this big hump, just like that. Come down and stop. And then you're gonna take that hump and do like a U. And then downward slope just like so. And then we're gonna continue that with another downward slope just like so. Good. And then we're gonna continue his face down with another swoop. Stop about right there. Go ahead and make a little bit of a fin. Nice. And then you're gonna make that line continue through to come back to the tail. I'm gonna start with the teeth down here. Just bring it straight and go up. And then continuing that line up and straight across as well. Good. Now you're gonna draw his teeth, right? So draw that line, continue to there. And just repeat it all the way down. Nice. If you want to add like a smile, you can. Alright, then we're going to draw his eyeball. Draw a nice big old circle. Yeah. And then inside the circle, you'll draw another circle. I like to save room for a highlight. There you go. Nice. And then up here, we're going to draw a little bit of a circle for the spout, where the water comes out. Just like so. There you have it. Alright, so you have a whale. Very simple. Now we're going to open him up and draw Jonah inside the whale. So to do that, first we're going to draw this line, the back of his mouth, to come all the way down as straight as you can to meet the other one. Got it? Alright. Then we're going to close this up there and bring this one and come straight back. Just like that. Connect each one of these. There you go. I'm going to do the same thing here. Except this one, I'm going to bring these teeth down quite a bit further. And just reconnect all those lines down to the teeth line. So now it kind of looks like he's opening his mouth, right? And then for the back side, we're going to take this, come to the center of the point there, and continue it up. Just like so. There we go. Nice. And now we get to draw Jonah on the inside. Now to do that, we're going to start right about here. He's going to be sitting down. So we'll bring a slope down for his nose. Alright, let's draw his eyes. And then we're going to draw a line straight back like that. Put a hat on him like so. Right? Some hairs sticking out of there. Good. And then that hat's going to continue down and buckle and come up like that. Good. It'll be a fluffy beard. so. And then this will continue down to there. Awesome. That beard, come around like that and come back. We'll get to color that in a little bit, okay? Fix the eye. There you have it. Just that simple. And then we're going to draw his body. So basically he's sitting down in the belly of the whale. Okay, just like something like that. You put a hand here if you want. Just keep in mind the markers like to bleed. There we go. And there's Jonah inside of the whale. And now you have the fun of coloring it. And so we'll do that real fast. And there you have Jonah inside of a whale. Isn't that simple? So Jonah is in the whale. Roll. Anyhow, hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Okay? Bye.